Good afternoon, dear children. Today I'm going to teach you a new lesson in English composition that is called picture composition. We will look at the picture and write all about it. How to write a picture composition. Picture stimulates our thoughts and motives us to express our views and ideas on what we see. Picture composition generally develops the skill of observation in students and enhances the ability to analyze a given picture and write about it. In order to write an effective picture composition, the basic need is to understand the topic. Once you understand the topic, you may express your views on the topic. It should reflect your personal experience and thoughts. The composition starts with an introduction which gives the reader some ideas about your composition. The body provides further information to the reader in an elaborate and well organized style. Finally, the conclusion tells us about the inferences drawn from the picture. Inferences mean the ideas that we get from the picture. It is very important to read your composition for spelling mistakes, punctuation marks, and grammatical errors. Give names to the people and places to make your composition more interesting. Do not forget to use the correct tense. It is usually safer and easier to use past tense while telling the story and present tense when describing the scene. Past tense means what already took place. Present is what is taking place now. Always remember to wind up the composition with some relevant observation. Wind up with some relevant observation means what you can see, something important that you can see. The last line could be the most impressive part of your composition. The last line should be catching to the public eye. The point for picture composition. Before starting to write the composition, ask yourself and begin to look at the picture and find out the following. Number 1, all the characters in the picture. Number 2, who seems to be the main character? Number 3, what is the background, surrounding, settings like? Number 4, what is the main character doing? What are the other characters doing? Number 5, how does the main character look? Does he look happy, sad, excited, surprised, and so on? Now it will be easier to write the composition starting with the setting and the main character and what happens in the picture. You could do activities like reading a lot of picture books before starting to read. You could go through the cover page and all the pictures in the book. Ask yourself what you think the story is about. Even if your story is different from that of the book, it's okay. You can tell the story however you want. This helps you to come up with your own creativity. Write a paragraph on the picture composition of about 75 words using the details given in the picture. The details of the pictures are: follow traffic signal. One side the picture shows people crossing on the zebra crossing. Second shows a signal light or traffic light with red, saffron and green. The heading of the passages: follow traffic signals. The picture given above is about traffic rules. This picture has two scenes. One is the traffic light and the other is the zebra crossing. Mr. Traffic Light says, look, stop and go the whole day. The red light says, stop. The yellow, get ready to go. And the green, go. You should always use the zebra crossing for crossing the road. We must follow traffic signals. They are made for our safety. The picture shows a railway platform. The heading of your passage will be at the railway platform. The scene at the railway platform is always enjoyable. It presents a picture of mini India. Last night I went to the city railway station to see my aunt off. There was a long queue in the front of the booking window. I bought the ticket and came off. At the platform, a large number of passengers were waiting for the train. Some of them were sitting on the benches. There were many stalls on the platform like tea stall, snack stall, book stall, etc. Small children were standing near their parents. Coolies in red dress were going to and fro with luggage. Passengers were having tea. Some were reading the newspaper. They were waiting for the train. We returned home after our trip to the railway station. Children, I hope you understood how to write a picture composition. You may go back to the video and listen to it and see it carefully. Before you start writing a picture composition, please look at picture books. Try to look at the picture and write your own sentences towards it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.